The SCCM, or Steering Column Control Module, is a critical component in Tesla Model 3 vehicles built between 2017 and 2022. This module handles inputs from the steering wheel, including the horn, turn signals, and autopilot controls. When an A16 hardware error occurs, it indicates a fault in this module, leading to intermittent failures of steering wheel functions and dashboard warning messages. The module specifically controls essential steering wheel functions like the horn for alerts, turn signals for directional changes, and buttons for autopilot activation. Common symptoms include these controls working intermittently or failing completely, often accompanied by alerts on the vehicle's dashboard. Tesla has addressed this issue through software updates that can often resolve the problem without hardware replacement, though understanding the root cause helps with effective troubleshooting. The A016 error can stem from several factors. First, electrical faults such as loose connectors, corroded pins, or voltage spikes from the vehicle's battery can disrupt the SCCM's function. Second, software glitches like firmware corruption during over-the-air updates can cause the module to malfunction. Third, wear and tear on the module from repeated use, particularly in high-mileage vehicles, can lead to hardware degradation. Before seeking professional help, try performing a soft reset by restarting the vehicle through the touchscreen menu. This can clear temporary software glitches causing the A016 error. If the soft reset doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure the car is completely off before disconnecting to avoid safety issues. Reconnect the battery securely and test the steering column functions to ensure the A016 error is resolved. Tesla provides built-in diagnostic tools accessible through the touchscreen. Navigate to Service, then Diagnostics, then Modules to check for specific error codes and module status. This diagnostic interface shows vehicle controllers and systems with their addresses and fault counts. You can also use third-party apps like TeslaScope for more detailed diagnostics. TeslaScope provides real-time information and control over various vehicle functions. These tools can help pinpoint whether the issue is software-related or requires hardware attention. Tesla has released several over-the-air software updates, such as version 12.5.1, that specifically address SCCM-related issues. These updates include enhanced diagnostics and automatic fault resets, which have reduced reported A016 errors by approximately 40% according to community data. To resolve SCCM A016 errors, it's crucial to ensure your Tesla Model 3 is running the latest software version. You can check for and install over-the-air updates through the vehicle's touchscreen by navigating to the Service menu, which often resolves the majority of software-related faults without needing physical intervention. If the A016 error continues even after installing the latest software updates, professional assistance is recommended. Tesla service centers can reflash the SCCM module using their proprietary diagnostic tools, updating the firmware to resolve persistent software-related faults. This approach has proven highly effective, with success rates above 98% for such issues. If the A016 error continues after trying resets and software updates, or if you notice physical damage or unusual behavior like steering lockouts, it's time to consult a Tesla service center. Professional diagnostics can identify the issue accurately, with service centers offering free inspections under warranty and successful resolutions in over 98% of cases. Attempting unauthorized repairs or modifications, like using aftermarket parts, can void your warranty and lead to further complications and costly repairs. Tesla recommends official service centers for hardware issues, where software fixes cost around $300 and hardware replacements average $1,500. Often covered under extended warranties. Tesla is evolving its approach to vehicle systems, moving away from traditional hardware-centric designs toward more resilient solutions. The company is implementing software-driven solutions that allow remote fixes through over-the-air updates, minimizing the need for physical repairs. In upcoming models like the Model 3 refresh planned for 2026, Tesla is introducing integrated cockpit controllers that combine multiple functions into a single, more reliable system. Additionally, predictive monitoring capabilities built into the full self-driving software will proactively detect potential SCCM issues before they affect driving. These innovations are designed to significantly reduce single-point failures and improve overall vehicle reliability, leading to fewer SCCM-related problems in future Tesla models. When troubleshooting the SCCM A016 error, safety must always come first. Always prioritize safety when troubleshooting any vehicle system. Before handling any wiring or components, disconnect the power to prevent airbag deployment or electrical shorts. If you're unsure about any troubleshooting step, stop and seek professional assistance from a certified Tesla technician. Remember that the SCCM module doesn't directly control steering, but its failure can activate safety modes that limit vehicle speed. Addressing the A016 error promptly ensures your Tesla Model 3 operates safely and reliably, protecting both you and your vehicle.